Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, maybe even good evening. It's morning for us here. We are just waking up and it's gonna be a good day. Today we are heading out to Holiday Mountain Motocross and ATV Park. It's a lot of fun. We've been up there many times. And not that my bike's necessarily set up for motocross or even Pauline's or anything else, but they have some trails too. Not a lot, it's a small place, but it's a really fun time to just go out with some friends. It's only like a 50-minute, maybe an hour and 10-minute ride from the house. So we usually just shoot up there, hang out there for the day, but it's gonna be a great day. Right now we're out in the garage. We just got to load stuff up. We gotta move around a couple cars. We gotta hook up to the trailer. We gotta load up the trailer and we gotta get going. Really shouldn't take too long, so thank you very much, guys, for joining back in. Welcome to JB ADV. My name is Jacob, if you guys didn't know. Thanks for clicking on this video, by the way. And make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe if you like the content. So stick around as we load this stuff up. And yeah, let's have some fun today. I know it's here somewhere. That thing. It's a hitch.
What's in the box? Oh, what the heck is that?
That ain't going nowhere. Remember to say that ain't going anywhere when you tie down straps or put in a hitch. That way it solidifies it not going anywhere, guys. Just pro tip. All right, trailer is loaded up. My bike over there, Kyle's, then the little blaster. This is Mike's quad here, the 450, and then Pauline's on the side there. So we'll see how this thing does in the trails today. We're just loading up the last little bit. We got all our gear all set up. In the trailer, this thing is definitely weighed down today, but this is gonna be good. So we're heading out now. Mint.
Got it in. That tire's tight against the wall now.
Perfect.
The fuel's off.
I know.
Gotta handle the road, queen.
Alright guys, so we are here. I'm just holding the GoPro, so hopefully the angle's right. We just got up to Holiday. We just unloaded and everything. We got everybody here. We're all hanging out. It's a good time. We got tons of bikes, tons of people here. Everybody's just hitting the tracks now. We're gonna take a cruise up and we are going to hit some trails first, warm all the things up, and then we'll come back and do some track stuff. Pauline is going to be the person with the GoPro on the helmet today. So you guys are gonna get a different perspective. I do not have the GoPro on the helmet today, so she's gonna be running around. You guys are gonna see her perspective. Maybe you'll get a little ass shot of me in front of her this time. Yeah, we're going for the ass shot. That's what we're doing. But, so it's gonna be a good time. And yeah, so we're gonna see you guys out on the trails. Let's get to it. Huh? Yeah.
I got Jeremy falling.
You got him falling? Oh boy.
Man, I never fall. Good thing we got those hand guards on. Okay. I fail.
Yeah.
I never fall.
Nice.
I think that's the first time.
You okay? You good? Everybody good?
Okay.
Alright. That's like
A lot better
the second
on that
roughest.
button, right?
Okay.
Going back down to the drop.
The worst is behind that sign. There's a trail that takes you down a cliff.
It's like,
Oh, really?
So, yup.
Hey guys, I'm vlogging. I'm out in the middle of the track. I'm gonna record our friend Bobby and my brother Kyle.